Hey everyone, this is Lulu at KHAZZOOM. Welcome to my Ambassador program. In this video tutorial, I'll walk you through every step from registering a new account to receiving your commissions. To get started, click on the Register Now button on the Ambassador section of my website. You'll be directed to the KHAZZOOM Ambassador homepage, which you can also access directly at KHAZZOOM.com/ambassador. On the right, you'll see the registration section for new users. Fill out the requested information and you'll be taken to the Ambassador dashboard with an overview of your account. Next, click on Settings. Put in your PayPal email address and set your preferences for receiving email notifications when you generate commissions and when those commissions are already paid into your PayPal account. Now, click on the link generator. You'll be taken to a screen where you get links to share with your followers. On the left side, you'll see an automatically generated link for the main KHAZZOOM.com website. Click the Copy URL button and you're ready to paste that link into your social media post or newsletter. On the right side, you'll see the option to create a custom link for a specific page on my website. For example, you can share the registration link for an upcoming program, or you can share the direct link to a product on my shop. Click on the program or product you want to share, copy the direct link, and place it in the top field of this section on the link generator page. Hit the Enter button on your computer. Copy the customized URL link that is generated and paste it into your social media post or newsletter. For either link you share, the customized code will track your visitors throughout my main website and the websites of my various brands. However they meander through my websites, the code will track their movements to the KHAZZOOM shop. So whenever they make a purchase, you'll automatically receive 20% of the total sales from that purchase. And that's for a full month following their initial visit. Once you've shared links with your followers, click on Visits to find out how each link is performing. Click on Commissions to track sales. Or click on Payments to track money that has already been sent to you. If you have any questions, email me by clicking the contact page on my website. Thank you for becoming a KHAZZOOM ambassador, and I look forward to collaborating with you.